Okay, now is the time to get your $50 bonus in ad credits that you can use right now. You can get these $50 in order to start creating LinkedIn ads. And this is good because with this money, you will have a great idea. You will put into practice all the knowledge that you will get here on this model. So I hope you come here. This is the link. This is a short link that I created for you. It's bit.ly/$50 LinkedIn. I will add this link on the resources area of this lecture, so you can go there in the resources area and download the PDF with the links, and you can save it on your archive if you want to use it later. So basically, if I go here to this address, let me hit enter here. This is the official address, business.linkedin.com/marketing-solutions-cx, and all these URL. So here we are on the Success Awaits page, where we will be able to redeem your $50 ad credits. If we scroll down here, you see here, simply fill out the form and we will send you a $50 in advertising credit directly to your mailbox. I think this is available only for new customers. So if you already created ad on LinkedIn, probably you won't be able to redeem this information. But if you are new here, if it's the first time that you are creating ads, you will be able to do it, okay? So all you need to do here is fill this with your name, your information, and after that, you will receive an email with the instructions. So let me do that right now and I'll be back in 1 minute. Okay, excellent. I just fill the form and we see here, we receive your request. Keep an eye on your inbox as your ad credit should arrive within the next day. This can take up to 24 hours, but usually after a few hours, you will receive the email with all the instructions you need to follow in order to redeem these $50. The only thing that I need to tell you is that in order to get the $50, you need to enter your credit card information. You need to have a valid credit card on the account, and after that, they will give you the $50. If you create a new ad, a new campaign here on LinkedIn, as we will do in the next videos, the system will use first your $50 credit before they start using your credit card information, okay? So don't worry about that. You can basically use the $50 and after that you can pause or cancel the campaign, okay? So go to your email, follow the instructions that they are sending you to redeem this specific $50 coupon, and after that we continue with the course. See you there.